We are getting ready to hit the road and go and visit the Tame Country Show. Fancy coming along? Follow me! We'll come back for ferret racing on another hour, yeah?
It does say on the hour.
On the hour, okay. Nice dogs though, aren't they? Bloodhounds. Yeah, it's their droopy faces. Want to have a straight, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Hello!
And they can go for quite some time, but they're just exactly sat on the sofa.
Yeah, not doing so much.
So he gets 2 walks a day, about an hour and a half, 2 hours total.
So being otter hounds and, you know, chasing otters, they can't be scared of
Didn't
water
really chase otters. They will chase the scent of it.
Right.
So they're a scent dog, and they will go into water, but they prefer to be on the margins. So
Okay.
they've got web feet.
Oh, okay.
So between the posts are webs, which gives them purchase in sort of shallows.
Yeah.
When the head goes forward, the ears form a cone to channel the smelling, and the wet beard and everything enhances the smell. They're one of only 2 dogs that can actually smell scents in water.
Hello.
You can see what's going on.
So they don't do the catching. They wouldn't have done the catching of the otters.
No, but that's why
then.
they bark a lot. Is they notify when they've got a scent smell and they follow it.
Right.
The hunters would have done the killing and the catching.
Yeah.
But then they lost some of their aggression as a hunting dog, and they crossed him with an Irish Terrier, and that's how you get your Airedale Terriers.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So,
They're cute. I like the mushrooms. The toadstools, look. Which ones? Oh, yeah, over there. Yeah. Oh, look. These are nice. It's only £20 for 3 of them. I might have to come back and get some. £20 for 3 of them. But these, Green Man, yeah. Rabbits. I like this, how they melt they lay the thing while it's hot over the...
The wood will be wet when they do it.
Yes, it'd have to, otherwise it would scorch it, wouldn't it? It'd have to be soaked, I suppose. It's very clever. Oh look, these are like nest boxes. They're nest boxes, bird houses. They are cool. Doggy pick and mix. Just happened. We were in his area, were we?
It's at the bottom of the button. They've got the bright where there's bright, proper dark where it's dark.
Yeah, that does. I like that. That hair looks nice. We have found the food section. They have a wine section. Hot sausage cobs, fish finger sandwiches, paella, chicken wraps, jacket potatoes, burgers, coffee stall. Ah, and people we know. Oh, your hat fell off, Luna.
Got it.
There's a cooking section with a chef doing a demonstration.
You'll see what I'm doing here. You see the new potatoes?
Andrea Wallace.
Really, really soft, aren't they? You need to skin. Exactly the same with garlic. You don't need to peel it. We just seem to, because that's what we've always done. Some people peel it with a knife or a peeler. I'm just using a spoon, and you can see, like in the new potato, it just comes off.
Traditional old Punch and Judy show. Next showing is at 2 o'clock.
It is just as nightmare inducing as it looks.
So these are the things from Poppy's playtime.
Well, there's only a blue one.
There's only a blue
It's
one,
stored
but
for
they...
Poppy's playtime.
And you've got to make sure you don't get eaten by it. And it's a game.
Yeah, for a game.
I did wonder when I saw them in Windsor the other week what they were. They're Rayo bands. Not Ray bands, Rayo bands.
Wind deposit for the April airport.
Kestrels are cute.
Oh, you can hold it.
Yeah, do you want to hold it
I
now?
wanna.
Should we get in a queue then? Peregrines.
If you stick a sock over their head, they just chill the hell out because they don't know that something's gone wrong.
Yeah.
I was chilling there. She was trying to get away.
I didn't know that, but they are totally without stress if they're in the dark. Can't see it, doesn't scare me.
That is the logic, yeah.
Yeah.
He's really trying to prune that.
This is a hybrid falcon, that one. A peregrine, a griffon, a gyre falcon, and a saker.
No. That's, round. But it looks like it just melted those ones.
Which ones?
The ones in the photo. Which one? If they chill long enough, they
Oh, over there, they just go splat.
No, the one near the big blue boy.
The smallest hamster in the world. Are they the biggest hamsters in the world, those ones?
Huh? Is that a pilot? Yeah.
Apparently it's only 5 weeks old.
What is it?
That is a cute hamster. Oh, look.
Oh, yes, Wake up. Wake up.
No, I'm going to sit on your head.
Wake up.
Give me a kiss.
Ah, you're fine with it.
Oh, that is so cute.
That's it. Give him a plenty of encouragement. What a really are. No problem. Into the box. Now they can do this whichever direction they want. So if their prawn is turned better to the right or the left, it's up to them.
Stuff. The green man with an owl on his chest. It's like in his beard.
In his beard. They've carved them.
Yes.
You look cool.
That suits him.
It does suit him, yeah. And you're going to go and get one now.
Not sure if it'll suit me though. I need the beard.
You'd have to grow it then.
Haraki.
Oh, really?
They're like us ladies. They look young. Look, they're tough as
But pretty tough.
Yeah, I've been making them for 40 odd years and 2 ex-husbands. They're tougher than I am.
Been lobbed at a few, have they?
Much less work than husbands. I'm making the pot, that's what, and then I'm planting them up as a
Yeah.
courtesy, because these are definitely designed for indoors. But if there's a bit of the garden that you really look at, they're great on a garden table, or, they can on a wall, somewhere where you're not going to tread
This is
on
very
them.
my thing, but I child mind, and children
Yeah, exactly.
are rough with
Indoors,
things.
all you need, yeah,
It's just a spray.
exactly.
So pretty. I love the dragon in that one.
Yeah, but you don't have to have, that's the whole point. If you want...
Oh, you've just got little bits
yes,
that you
and
can...
this one's even got fairy and trees. I'll finish it off however you want. Things like this look nice.
Oh, the hedgehogs.
Yeah, all sorts of things. I've got logs, I've got gravel. I just thought the dragon and the toadstools was
Yeah.
pure fantasy. Yeah, and they go well together. But I can finish them off however you want.
Sculpture in just 30 minutes time. is also using that small chainsaw for more detailed work. 10 minutes gone and 20 minutes to go in the restart. Not expensive, and if you oil your piece with this, it keeps them looking great, it makes them last longer, and also it seals them in, it gives them a shine, which is great, especially if you're keeping it indoors. Lisa is taking part in a fortnight in the Sandringham Gold Cup competition. That's the quality of these carvers. Lisa has been like a meteorite, really. Yes, that's it. Give her a round of applause. You can see that amazing hair there from Henry. 40 in the corner. 145. 150. 150 then. Oh yeah, looking for 60. 60. We've got 60. Look, 70. 70 over here, looking for 80 now. 80 we've got. And then anywhere. Oh, we've got another 210. 215. 220.
Got a late video out of nowhere.
130. 140. 50 we've got in the purple, looking for 60.
A medieval style crock barn.